Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis several times before, but it's been a while since the last time I did it. And with the past few days and the price just essentially starting to drift downwards, the price is now starting to approach some interesting areas from the charting perspective. To defend the stock a little bit, I mean, the markets themselves have obviously been getting just absolutely hammered and roasted too. So it's not like this stock is doing something unique. The overall market is getting hammered. So that's kind of go par with the course right now. But nonetheless, like I said, from the technical perspective, the price is now starting to approach some interesting areas. And that first interesting area is down here right around $5.85. Taking a quick trip down memory lane, you can see that on several occasions when the price has been down around that level, both there and then there have been some very nice little bounces that have occurred every time the price has been down around that area. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has bounced a couple times before does not mean it's a guarantee that it will for sure bounce again from 585. Now, would it be shocking to see the price bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all, but myself nor anyone else can say that for sure a bounce is going to happen because, again, there's no such thing as a for sure in the market. No guarantees. But, again, is it rational? Is it logical to think that maybe the price could bounce from that area? Yeah, of course it's logical when the price has shown that it's been able to do that a couple times before. So that's where 585 comes into play as a very unique and interesting level going into next week. In the event 585, for whatever reason, cannot hold, the next key overall level of support would be down there at the 535-ish mark. So going into next week again, initial area of support 585 and then down there right around 535. In the event there is some sort of bounce, the key level of resistance to watch is going to be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average. If you look closely, you can already see that there's a couple times earlier this week where the price tried to get up above that level and just couldn't quite do it. So again, 50-day simple moving average currently valued at 708 is going to be that initial level. Keep in mind that's a moving average, meaning that value will move and change over time. In the event the price can break up above there, then there also seems to be this trend line resistance here to keep an eye on. But one step at a time, that first step is getting up above the 50-day moving average. So all in all, rough week for the stock, but rough week for the overall market. So we'll see if the price can get a bounce off of 585 or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.